Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing another update here on the Facebook Marketplace Christmas Selling Challenge. Alright, so before I dive into the update, I just want to show you guys here on Facebook, we have a Facebook group. It's called Creative Business Success, and this is a group that my business partner and I created. It's a community. If you like these kinds of videos, if you like us, feel free to join our free community. Right now we're doing a Christmas giveaway, and we're going to be doing more giveaways, providing tons of value for you guys. You guys can ask us questions in here and interact with us. So the link for that group will be down in the description below. Alright, so the updates for the past week that just happened. I've done 5 sales that week. 5 to 7 seems to be my weekly number, it seems. Like I mentioned in previous videos, I do this part-time. This isn't my full-time thing. If you were doing this full-time, I could definitely see the numbers going a lot higher. But because I do have a business and I do have other things going on, different appointments, it is a part-time thing for me. So 5 sales so far last week. I've got 3 confirmed scheduled for this week for meetups, but I have a ton of open conversations happening with people. Everyone's really busy, so I have a ton of people who are interested, but 3 so far have confirmed for next week for me to do sales on those. So we are now at $550 in profit. And last week I got a random item to sell. So I was visiting my parents and all of a sudden my dad pulled out this box from the kitchen and he's like, "Hey Jewel, can you sell this?" And I looked at it and I'll have it pop up on the screen here. And to be honest, I actually didn't know what it was. It is a cooking tool and I've never actually seen it or used it before. They won it at a Christmas party and my parents didn't know how to use it or didn't know what it was either. So I did a quick search and I looked it up, and this is actually like a premium type item. This item ranges between $100 to $120 at the various stores that I was looking at here in Canada. And so when they gave it to me, I immediately took pictures and listed it, and probably about an hour after listing it, I got a couple of people messaging saying that they wanted to purchase the item. They didn't even lowball me, and I did price it at $95, which isn't too far off from the actual selling price. There were some places that were selling it for $99 or $100, and I managed to sell it the next day after listing it. And I learned something there. You learn something when you try to sell new items. If you always stay with the same items, then you always know those items. But if you try different items, then you're going to learn different things. So now that I tried this item, I know that, okay, that's a premium item. People really like that kind of item. Because it's a premium item, I had people messaging saying that they wanted it at my price point. Sometimes you'll list products and immediately people are going to try and lowball you and say they want a discount, but there are certain items where you list them and because they're premium or they're normally high priced, they'll just get it. So I learned something new with this product. And I did get an item that was where Facebook marks it as this product may go against our terms of service, and then they kind of like pause it so that no one can see it, and they put like a little note on top of the actual item, and then they're like, this may go against our terms of service. And there's a button on there that you can actually appeal that process if the item is actually not going against terms of service. So the item I was selling was a beer tasting kit, and it's basically like a set of glasses and you have some like cards and stuff. It's like for a party. It's like a party game. There wasn't actually any alcohol in it, and when I was listing it, I was thinking, oh, probably they're going to flag this because I'm putting the word beer in it. And I was right, they flagged it, and then I appealed it because they have a little button there, and in the description I put, this beer tasting kit doesn't have any actual alcohol in it. It's just like the glasses, and I described what was in it. And then a person on the other side at Facebook is going to do a manual review on it, and then they're going to either agree or disagree. And all the times that I've had items that were flagged for potential going against terms of service. They're not products that are breaking terms of service. It's just the wording sometimes with the software, it thinks that it's something when it really isn't, and it needs a human to look at it. So I did do the appeal process, and within minutes of actually sending in my appeal for that beer tasting kit, it says it was approved. So I was able to get that back up so people could see it. So as we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, the next update that I'm going to do, I think, is either the 22nd or the 23rd, something really close to Christmas. So this right here, this last week up until that next update, is going to be the last kind of major push here. You might get a couple of trickles in on the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and then after that episode, the one that comes out next week, then after Christmas, I'll do like a recap of everything. Oh, and before I go, I just want to mention that we are doing a Christmas giveaway on our YouTube channel. So if you head over to some previous videos, actually I'll have them down in the description below. We are doing a Christmas giveaway challenge, and we have 4 prizes. They're all Amazon gift cards. The first one is a $100 Amazon gift card, and the next 3, which equals to 4, are $50 Amazon gift cards. So there are 4 prizes in total. If you guys want a chance to win that, make sure you guys check that video out for the rules and how to enter. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.